here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing our house tour. Finally, kakatapos pala maglinis, guys. And I was like, yes, this is it. This is it. I will be filming it. You guys have been requesting this since the beginning. Noon pa, nung dumating ako dito, you guys have been requesting to do, for me to do the house tour. And I was like, hindi ko naman siya bahay. So, why am I gonna do the house tour? I asked Dan, pwede mo mag-house tour? Sabi niya, wala naman akong problema doon. Ever since, okay lang sa kanya. Pero yeah, I'm finally doing it. I hope you guys enjoy. Before I start though, I just wanna say na sobrang simple lang ng bahay. As in, sobra. Walang masyadong etchos-etchos. You can hear the echo kasi walang masyadong laman yung bahay. Kaming dalawa na Dan, sobrang simple lang namin. Hindi namin gusto na sobrang daming laman ng bahay. That's why sobrang echo. But yeah, I will go ahead and show you guys the house. Okay guys, I will start dito sa door. So yan yung door, and then below is the mat that I got from Rosegal. I actually put that in the kitchen. I was like, I'm not really quite sure there, so I put it there. And then dito, when you turn around, you will see that door. That is the door to the garage. And then ganyan siya. And then that's the hallway right there, papunta sa mga kwarto. But before that, I'll show you guys what's in here. So from the door there, dito yung mga shoes namin na I know, kailangan namin ng bagong shoe rack. Diyan yung front ng bahay. And then garage doon. And then door sa garage. And then yan is actually from Dan's brother-in-law. Binigay niya sa amin kasi he was getting rid of it. And sabi ni Dan, sure, bigay mo sa amin. And then yeah, mga sapatos. And then dito is this little corner right here na nilalagay lang namin ng mga stash namin. Meron kami niyang bubblegum whatever dispenser na yan. And then yung red arrow there. And then we have that port power. Ano ba tawag doon? Basta. And just a heads up, sobrang dami yung makikitang port power stuff dito because yes, port power. But yeah, and then VR ni Dan, and then yan yung corner na yan. So ano lang siya, dalawang maliliit na table na nilagay lang namin dyan. And then more shoes right here. May mga laman pa yung mga boxes kaya I cannot get rid of it yet. Those are empty bottles of pasta sauce. Kasi gumagawa sila Dan, yung family niya, gumagawa sila ng pasta sauce from scratch talaga. And then, dyan lang yung mga camping chairs na binili namin sa Kmart na hindi pa namin nagamit. And then, ito is just random stuff. Toys, actually, ito na kailangan kong i-wrap. Bibigay namin sa pamangkin ni Dan. And then, ito na yung hallway ng bahay, guys. So, ganyan. And, meron tayong picture ni Dan at saka yung nana niya. Nawala na actually yung nana niya. Hindi ko siya na-meet. But yeah, he has a picture of his nana there because he loves his nana. And then ito yung hallway, guys. So yung pinaka-first na kwarto is yung master's bedroom. But before that, we have a picture of my fam bam right there. So that's a picture of my fam bam. My puppy, my mom, Mark, me, Marlon, Miss Merwin. Yes. So, yan. Si Dan actually nag-organize niyan. Before pa ako dumating talaga dito, sabi niya, sendan mo ako ng mga paborito mong pictures ng family mo. And then, pagdating ko dito, meron to. So, that's so sweet of him. And then, ito na yung first room, guys. So, this is the master's bedroom. We usually do not open that blinds there. Pero it's dark today kahit na sobrang aga pa. It's only 3 p.m. but it's dark. So, I just opened it. But, yeah, this is the master's bedroom. So the first thing you will see is the TV, and then Dan's cabinet. So dyan yan nilalagay some of his clothes. And then here we have Dan's watches and just a random key of the house. And then, ito na yung master's bedroom. So, meron niyang, nilalagay niya dyan yung isusuot niya kinabukasan sa work. And this is the bed right here. Sobrang simple lang, guys. Itong bedsheet na to is actually my least favorite, but gusto siya ni Dan, so whatever. So, dito, we can see the boys. Yan yung mga stuffed warmers, stuffed animal warmers namin. So, pwede mo siyang i-heat up and it's good for winter. And then, dito sa bedside, meron dalawang bedside table sa Dan na matchy-matchy. So, he has that. It's actually parang very dark na brown. And meron siyang dalawang drawer. First drawer and then second drawer. And meron din siya nito na hindi ko alam actually kung saan niya nakuha. And then, same sa side niya. So, yun yung side ni Dan. Ito yung side ko. So, now, punta tayo sa ensuite. Oh, before the ensuite, punta tayo sa closet. So, meron kaming walk-in closet. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, but this is what it looks like. So, from the master's bedroom, punta ka dito. This is the walk-in closet. So, sa baba yung akin, kasi alam nyo naman, maliit tayo, hindi ko marireach yung nandyan. But that's Dan's there, hanggang dyan. Yung nandun, mga ano ko yun, mga damit ko na mahahaba, may maxi dress, yung mga haba kong cardigan doon. And then dito, mga damit ko. And then we have this side right here na this side is a mix of mine and Dan. So the last three akin, yung dalawang taas kay Dan. And then this side right here is Dan's side. Itong side na to. And then yung sa kabila yung akin. So dito sa side na to, akin siya lahat. Yung 5, and then that's mine, and then that's mine. So, all my bags are right there. And then, just the random stuff, my hats. Ito yung nandito is Philippines money. And, yan, nabigay ng subscriber. Thank you so much. And then, my jewelries na sobrang messy. Like, sobrang messy. Inayos ko na nga to pero magulo pa rin siya tingnan. I need something na paglalagyan yan, but whatever. My watches, and then more jewelry there. My, eyeglasses, and then just random stuff there. Ito yung closet. I'm not even gonna open it, guys. Kasi, well, sneak peek. Yan. Mga pantulog. But, yan lang. And then, we have a mirror here. And we have pictures again. So, me and my fam bam and Dan. So, that's me and Danny boy. Me and Danny boy. Me and Danny boy. Me and my siblings. Me and mom. And then Marlon and mom right there. And then, sa baba, meron tayong weights. Yeah. Kasi parang gusto ni Dan na panoorin niyo yung sarili niya pag nag-weight siya. So, dyan lang yan. And I forgot to show you guys what's in here. Sorry kung shaky yung camera. But this is Dan's side na mix of mine as well because these are mine. But yeah, mga lang. Kaka-organize ko lang nito today. Kanina sobrang gulo niya. But yeah. More port power stuff. And then, something. And then sa taas is mga bag ni Dan at saka mga hats niya. And then, a pair of shoes right there na hindi niya ginagamit. And, yeah. So, yan yung closet. And then, dito is the bathroom or ensuite. Okay, so ito yung ensuite, guys. Hindi siya ganun kalaki at all. Okay lang siya. So, nandito yung mga namin, yung mga drawers. So, this side, and then this is mine. And then yung tatlong yan kay Dan. Which I'm not even gonna bother opening kasi magulo yung part na yan. So, close up sa sink area. So, obviously, the sink. And then yung mga itchuchubureche ng aking muka, mga contacts. And I have a random pair of eyelashes there. Ito, binili ni Dan sa Pilipinas the first time he went. And then yung dispenser ko ng cotton pads. And then, ito, sira na to actually. Like, it's supposed to be a sensor na kapag ginanyan mo siya, may lalabas na soap. But it's not working. Siguro kailangan palitan ng battery. And then yan. And then mga stuff ni Dan on that side. And then we have the toilet bowl right there. And then yung shower area. Medyo pa siya, may steam kasi kaka-shower ko lang. But yeah, nothing special. Maliit lang siya. Meron akong mga stuff dyan. And then stuff at the bottom as well kasi hindi na siya magkasya. So, nandun siya. Okay, labas na tayo. So, paglabas mo sa kwarto, makikita mo ite. So, hallway. Meron siya mga random stuff dyan. And then, merong 3 kwarto tong bahay. So, this is the next room right here. And this is basically our laundry room right now. Kasi wala kaming ibang magawa dito sa kwartong to. This is going to be like maybe a baby room in the future. But yes, that's that. Walang, nothing special at all. Meron siyang malalaking cabinets which we keep our coats, our jackets, yung mga kapal na jackets. And then dito namin nilalagay yung mga bedsheet, mga ganyan, mga random stuff na malalaki. So, dyan namin nilalagay. And dun sa taas, hindi ko alam yung mga yan. And then, more stuff in here na I'm pretty sure magulo to. Oh, actually, not bad. Okay, sa vacuum. And then, luggage. And mga extra. Yan lang. Sa taas, box. Yun lang. Okay, labas na tayo. Okay, sa harap nitong kwarto na to is another small room. Ito talaga yung laundry room talaga. Dito namin ginagawa yung laundry. Yung kanina, hindi siya laundry room, sampayan room. But it looks like this. Wait. So, meron lang tayong... Ito lang. Very maliit lang siya na space kasi wala. Yung gagawin mo lang naman dito is maglagay ng laundry. Tsaka meron din siyang sink dyan. And, ano pa ba? Meron siyang door dito. Ito yung palabas ng bahay na actually never ko pa na-open yan. Pero, sa labas yan ng bahay. And then, we have some long cabinets again in here. Maraming cabinets. Yan. 4 siya lahat. So, dito ang laman. Mga paglinis. Dito namin nilalagay yung vacuum namin noon. Nung malaki pa yung vacuum namin. Pero ngayon, yung ano na lang yung natira. Yung walis. And then dito, more cleaning stuff. There. Cleaning stuff. Cleaning stuff. Para yan sa tank. And then more cleaning stuff. Down there, mga vase. And then below, hindi ko na maalala kung ano yung mga laman yun. O, candles. And then sa pinakataas is mga random boxes ng kung ano-anong mga pinamimili. And yun na yun sa laundry room. Okay, so yung pangatlong kwarto guys, hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo kasi I will be doing a separate like makeup room tour I guess. And right now, sobrang magulo siya because I'm still in the process of doing that. Okay, so yan yung close na makeup room. But dito, nandito yung extra bathroom namin. So we have a sink. And then, dito, I'm not sure if napakita ko na tong part na to. Even sa vlogs ko, I don't think so. Kasi I don't really come here. But meron kami extra shower area. There. Yan. And then, dyan yung sink. So, dito yung mga extra na, like, toilet papers, mga extra na candles. Again, we don't really use candles, guys, but it's right there. And yung dito is mga gunting, okay? And then shampoo, okay? And then dito is walang laman. Okay, dito is meron tayong green siya, pero it looks gray on camera, siguro dahil sa yellow na lighting, but green na candle. And then we have this one-shot brush washer. Kasi dito ko actually nililis yung brush ko kasi malapit lang siya sa makeup room. And then ito kasi minsan ginagamit ko din siya pang wash ng brushes. Same as that shampoo right there. And yung ginagamit ko pang wash ng beauty blender ko is that. That's the beauty blender soap talaga na I use like almost every day kapag nagme-makeup ako kasi winawash ko yung beauty blender ko lagi. And then we have that towel na nagmamatch sa candles niya. And then we have the bathtub. Na once ko palang nagamit ever. And then meron siyang pa-flower doon. Yeah, bathtub and then toilet again. And labas na tayo. Okay. Okay, so papunta na tayo sa lounge room. So nandito yung kitchen at saka lounge. May papakita ko sa inyo guys. Meron akong bag dyan kasi yan yung ginagamit ko halos araw-araw sa trabaho. So dito na tayo. That's the lounge right there. So, pagkapasok mo, yung bubungad sa'yo is itong kitchen bench namin. And then, dyan yung kitchen na part. And then, dyan yung lounge. And then, yun yung dining table namin. So, ipakita ko sa inyo first yung sa kitchen. Okay, so we have here another long cabinet na random stuff lang yung mga nilalagay namin. Yep, yan lang. And then, we have the fridge. Freezer. And then here is the kitchen, cooking area, ganon. So, meron tatlo dito na yung nilalagay namin is of course mga kitchen stuff lang, kung ano-ano lang guys. And then oven, yes. And then dito kami nagluluto. And then marami pang mga cabinets dito sa taas. Ganon. So yan yung lutuan na part. And of course, may rice cooker tayo. Tsaka meron tayong, ano ba tawag dyan? Toast maker? I don't even know. Nakalimutan ko. And then dito meron tayong drawer. So yan, mga sandok. Ito yung tomato na. Tingnan. Yan. Lalagay mo yung tomato dyan. Lalagay mo sa fridge para hindi siya masira agad-agad. And then there, mga random stuff. And then here, ito yung magulo kasi nandito yung mga bauna namin. And then, oven, lutuan, mantika, sobrang mantika sa ano namin, yung turon na, and then ito yung mga coffee ni Dan. So, meron siyang tatlo na lang. Wait, ubos ka na? Ubos na nga. Tatlo na lang. Yan yung coffee niya, Nespresso. Ito yung kettle ko, para naman sa coffee ko. And yan yung coffee maker na Dan from Nespresso. Yan. And then meron ding tatlo dito, which, mga random stuff again. And then dito, mga ganyan, panluto. And then dyan, mga panluto pa more. Okay, so sa taas naman, nandito yung mga cups, mga baso. Ito lang yung abot ko, guys. Yung nandun, hindi ko naabot. Buti lang, hindi ako uminom ng wine. And then, sa kabila, mga baso din. Ito nandito yung mug ko. Yan. The red mug. Is that port power? Yep, we got the power to win. Port power. And then, meron pa dun. Kaya lang, hindi ko naabot yun. So, wag na natin yun i-open. And then, dito, ito yung pantry namin. Na, ang gulo-gulo, pasensya na. But, yeah. Meron kaming mga pagkain dyan. Pagkain. And then mga napkins doon. And then doon, hindi ko alam kung ano. And then below is mga plato. And then below is mga pagkain. And then my coffee is right there. And yan, basta. Okay. Yan. Tapos, ikot tayo. Yan yung labas, pero ikot muna tayo dito. So, sa harap nung tinur ko kanina, yan is ito. So, meron tayong tatlo ulit. So, mga utensils dyan. And then, ito, mga random stuff, mga Glad wrap, mga cling wrap. And then, dito, mga random stuff again. And then, just dishwasher. And then, ito yung kitchen bench ni Dana. Actually, one of my favorite parts sa bahay. And then, dito is mga panlinis. Yep. And basurahan. Okay. And then, dito is the sink. Rice cooker. Kakakain ko lang ng lunch. And ito yung nilutuan ko ng mee goreng kanina. So, nandyan pa siya. Hand cream, of course. Another hand cream. Hand scrub. Panlinis ng plato, and hand wash. And then dito, meron na naman tayong tatlo. So, dyan, yan. And then here is, yan. Hindi na alam ko anong tawag. And then, malaking wok. And then dito, mga plastic para gamitin namin pambasura. Or, yan, kapag nagsha-shopping kami, so at least nandyan, para hindi na kami bumili ng plastic. And then, microwave. And then now, sa lounge na tayo, guys. So, that's the lounge right there. Yung rug namin, hindi siya match sa pillow na to, pero match siya sa subscribe. So, hayaan nyo na. Okay, dito first is yung tank ni Dan, na meron ng mga fish. Or ito, hindi ko alam kung saan niya nakuha. Vietnam, Bali, I'm not sure. Thailand, I don't know, but... Okay, so nandito yung tank, nandito yung mga fish namin. More port power stuff. Ito yung ginagamit namin para makapasok sa footy. And then, meron tayong mga footy stuff in here sa gilid. Nakikita nyo ba itong mga maliliit na taong to? Mga player yan sa footy. And then, TV. And then, yun. So, lapit tayo doon. May TV tayo dito. And then, meron tayong napaka-cute-cute na picture doon na nilagay din na Dan before pa ako pumunta dito. So, that's our picture when we were in Thailand. And then, meron tayong itong pachurba-churba. And then, yung USB ng mga picture at saka video namin nung wedding namin. So, it's heart and it's really cute. And yung player ni Dan, nandito, meron siyang mga Georgia na just random stuff, guys. And then, mga record. And then, meron tayong lamp dyan. Okay, so harap na tayo. Yan yung lounge. So, meron kaming glass na table dyan. Na merong mga fidget spinners. Oh, by the way, itong mga chairs na to, nice siya, diba? Gray. Yeah. Mahahaba siya na chairs, kaya hindi ako masyadong gumagamit kasi hindi ko maabot yung floor. But ito yung couch. And meron tayong subscribe pillow from a subscriber. Thank you so much, Angel. And then my pineapple pillow. And then that one doesn't really match with anything, but that's alright. Nung binili namin siya, not thinking na it will match, binili namin siya kasi it's winter, guys. Ang kailangan namin ng blanket dito. And then dito pala sa gilid, meron tayong dalawang cube na upuan. White and black. And then dito, okay, so couch dito, diba? Diyan naman sa taas, meron tayo ng painting na yan, or canvas, or whatever that is. And yan yung nag-iisang canvas dito sa lounge. As in, wala talaga siyang kaano. I will put a canvas of our wedding picture there, pero malay ko ba kung kailan pa yan. Pero yeah, yan lang yung nag-iisang art. Anyway, dito na tayo sa dining table. So we have here the dining table na glass lang, and then we have white chairs, and then glass. And yan na yung labas, which I don't think I will go out at all to show you guys kasi medyo umuulan ba? Well, basa dun. So yeah. And then yan na. Yan na yun. And yung labas, sige. Pakita ko na lang sa iyo yung labas, pero hindi ako lalabas talaga kasi ang lamig. Kinat nila yung bamboo kasi sobrang haba na niya. And then, sobrang tagal na niya kinat. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa niya malagay-lagay sa bin kasi hindi siya magkasya sa bin. Sobrang dami kasi niyan. Merong marami dyan, and then meron pa dito. Yung dito na ubos na niya. And actually, that is half of what it was. So, kailangan niya maghintay na ma-empty na naman yung bin bago niya malagay yan. But yeah, yan, pasensyahan nyo niya. And then, meron din kaming table at saka chair sa labas na mas marami pa yung chairs kaysa sa loob. And mas malaki pa yung table sa labas. But yeah. And then, yan lang guys. May mga bamboo-bamboo. Mas gusto kasi ni Daniel low maintenance lang yung mga plants kasi hindi naman kami lumalabas doon talaga. At saka hindi naman ako nag-garden. Hindi din siya nag-garden. So, he wants something low maintenance and bamboo. They're very low maintenance. So, meron siyang bamboo. And then, meron din siyang mga duwende sa labas. Wait. Yan, duwende. I think tatlo yan sila eh. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung iba. Basta meron siyang duwende yan. And dito pala sa, meron tayong dalawang candle. And then, sa kabila, guys, meron tayong cactus. Kasi, mahilig si Dad sa mga cactus. Kasi, again, low maintenance. So, meron tayong tatlo dyan. Yan lang. And yun na yung house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, bye.